Hello, this is my funeral about my tablet. We're gonna show. Well, this it's broken. It has a crack in it. Okay, so that's Selvin, and here's me. And so it's gonna be the funeral. I got 2 flower pots right there, and we're gonna show you how to break your phone, break your tablet. So let's get started. Do you mind using the pleasures? Yeah, break that thing. Break it. Break it. You. No, my turn. You see that? You see all the cracks?
Your turn.
My turn.
Good shit. Go for this. Look at me. Look at me.
Yeah, I am.
Ready?
Yeah.
Dibs. That's how you do it.
My turn. What are you gonna use? Respect! 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 Respect!
Hang on, real quick. Hang on.
Where are you going again? Oh no, he's got a brick. Respect! Respect! That's what's up. Ooh, it broke. Now watch this. My turn, someone. My turn. See this one? You. Now my turn again. Hold it. Yeah, okay, ready?
I got 2 things to suggest. Pour water, pour thing, and yeah, boy. Okay, and one more thing.
Are we done?
It's dead.